Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Color Monster using an easy method. First, place the monster pawn in the center of the game board. Next, randomly distribute the 8 emotion tokens face down around the board's perimeter. Finally, set up the 5 color jars on their corresponding color spaces. This simple setup gets you ready to explore emotions and colors in no time. We'll focus on the core mechanics for a smooth and enjoyable experience. The main objective of Color Monster is to help the monster sort its mixed-up emotions into the correct color jars. On your turn, roll the die and move the monster pawn that many spaces. You can move clockwise or counterclockwise. After moving, you must choose to either interact with a color jar or flip an emotion token. This choice is key to progressing in the game. When you land on a color jar space, you must name an emotion associated with that color. For example, if it's the yellow jar, you might say joy. If you land on an emotion token, flip it over and try to guess which color jar it belongs to. If you guess correctly, place the token in that jar. If not, return it face down. This process helps the monster understand its feelings. You win the game by successfully sorting all 8 emotion tokens into their correct color jars. This is a cooperative game, so all players work together to help the monster understand and manage its feelings. It's a wonderful way to discuss emotions with young players. Remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, as well as other great deals. They're truly worth it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.